edged and misses it as well. That's an opportunity goes begging, and good stop there. Good footwork. Stops the boundary. No, doesn't stop the boundary. Signals it as a boundary. So gets the boundary in the last ball here. Oh, nicely pulled away. That should go the distance and goes as well. That's the first sixer of this tournament, and it's come on the bat of Teki.
जो हम बातचीत कर रहे थे, गेंदबाज को क्या जवाब दिया है.
Oh, with an offer, slashes as well, and slashes it hard, gets to the boundary. There was a slip in place, but just over his head.
कारकिर्दाई गेंदबाजी की शुरुआत, और ये देखिए पहली गेंद लेंथ पिक किया और फिर 4 रनों में तब्दील किया. अब नीलम ओवी भी कह रहे हैं.
The current run rate is 8. And that's gone straight, and no chance for mid-on, and it races away to the boundary as well. They're taking their chances, moves to double digits, the captain Neelam. Oh, this time on the onside, takes the aerial route as well. He's thrown the kitchen sink at that one, and that goes to the boundary as well, and beyond the boundary. Superb shot this from the captain.
रन बन चुके हैं, और ये देखिए जगह बनाई, थोड़ा सा ऑन साइड में गए और उसके बाद लेंथ को पिक किया. और T20 फॉर्मेट में आप ये देखेंगे.
Fourth over. Oh, plays it uppishly as well, but there is protection in the deep, and that's the first no ball here for Techi. Takes it, slashes as well, and gets the boundary. Willing not to be. Yeah.
इन परिस्थितियों में रन जैसे आए आते रहे.
10 per over. Takes, slashes again, and drops it. Just a sitter there. Looks like the butter hasn't come off his hands this morning after his breakfast. New bowler, Tarun Singh. Leaving the wicket, and then goes aerial as well and gets the boundary. Treats him with a boundary. Wanted to play it on the onside, but gets a leading edge and taken finally. That was a dolly. And finally the captain departs here. Well made 28, but the last laugh will be had by Tarun Singh.
बल्ले का ऊपरी भाग लगा था, बल्ले का फेस बंद कर दिया था, ऑन साइड में खेलना चाहते थे, जिसके चलते वो गलती हुई और अच्छा कैच पकड़ा फील्डर ने.
Oh, plays it nicely and goes over the fielder as well. Gets the boundary. And Techi here has taken the charge as soon as the captain's left. Battle here. Takes the aerial route. Just beats the fielder and gets to the boundary as well. And Techi here is dealing. Oh, played it on the onside and straight into the fielder's throat. Second wicket down. This is exactly what the Storm wanted, and the set batter Techi has to go back.
प्लान करके विकेट लेना, और जब आप प्लान करके विकेट लेते हैं तो आपको दोहरी खुशी देता है, जो कि आज शेखर सिंह. खूबसूरत सा स्टेडियम. फिलहाल फुल टॉस गेंद, आसान सा मौका बल्लेबाज के लिए, सिर्फ दिशा दिखाई नवम ने और मिल जाएंगे इनको 4 रन. है 2 फील्डर्स के बीच से गेंद तो निकली है, और आउटफील्ड बहुत तेज है इस मैदान में. 4 रन भी मिल जाएंगे.
और जी हाँ, एक बार अगर निकल गई तो फिर यहाँ पर निकल पड़ती है बल्लेबाज की.
अनुराग,
और ये अच्छा शॉट है, पीछे फील्डर रास्ते में उड़ते हुए शेखर द्रोही. पल को तो लगा कि फील्डर को बीट कर जाएंगे, मगर रिप्ले में नजर डालते हैं. क्या बात है, शेखर द्रोही, उड़ता हुआ शेखर द्रोही, जबरदस्त कैच पकड़ा है इससे.
और डायरेक्ट हिट अगर लगती तो फिर मुश्किल में पड़ सकते थे. क्या एक और मौका बनेगा? अंपायर चेक करने के लिए जाएंगे, और एक्चुअल में इसे ही खुदकुशी कहते हैं. यहां से तो ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है अनुराग की बल्ला हवा में था जब विकेट कीपर ने अपने ग्लव्स को इंतजार रहेगा, फिर मैदानी अंपायर आएंगे.
जी हाँ, उंगली खड़ी हो गई है. OUT, रेड रेड रेड. जी हाँ, इसे ही तो कहते हैं हड़बड़ में गड़बड़.
साफ तौर पे कहेंगे 35 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट, 36 लाख का घाटा, क्योंकि ऐसे समय पे ओवर्स में आपको गेयर अप करना पड़ेगा. ये बढ़िया टाइमिंग है. कोशिश पूरी तरीके से, लेकिन कामयाबी मिली नहीं. मिल जाएंगे 4 रन बल्लेबाज को।
हेलो जी, यू मिस आई हिट फर्नीचर, यहां पर तो फ्रैक्चर कर दिया गया है। गजब की गेंदबाजी।
अब बैकफुट पे खेलने के लिए चलेगा और ऐसा लगा बल्लेबाज को देख।
Plays it through the covers, and that's a cracking shot. Gets the boundary as well. Just what the doctor ordered. Cleans him up. Doesn't read at all. And Taba Tananga has to go back. The third wicket for Lolly here.
लोली यंग फोयर रिप्ले में नजर डालते हैं। क्लियर देखिए आप, यू मिस आई हिट।
Oh, beautifully hit. And that's gone the distance. There's no doubt about it. Through the kitchen sink at that one. And Nabam has taken charge and has decided that I'm going to press on the accelerator beyond the 150 mark. And what a powerful shot that is on the onside in the deep mid wicket. Edge, lucky, gets the boundary. Though the keeper was standing up to the stumps, couldn't have stopped that. And taking charge is Nabam, moves to the 40s with his boundary over. Oh, cleans him up. You miss, I hit, and that's the sound of timber. Gets his first wicket here, does Dado. And what an important wicket as well of Nabam. Completely misread this one. Came back in sharply, just kissed that off stump. And that was all what was needed to pick up. Oh, nicely hit away. Is there a fielder? He just has to watch it like a spectator fly over his head. Has gone the distance. Just what the doctor ordered. Oh, tries the same again. This time there is a fielder and puts it down. There was a bit of a fumble there. Still an opportunity goes begging, and the captain is not happy. Oh, again on the onside, he favors that area as well and gets a boundary. Just one bounce into the boundary. That's authoritative shot, just what was needed to accelerate.
नबम डोल का रोल बहुत ही शानदार। फुल टॉस, पीछे फील्डर हैं जरूर, मगर कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं, उनके हाथों के बीच से निकलती हुई।
Excellent shot. The fielder there, just inches away, got a hand to it, go to the boundary. Strikes it hard, possible as well. The chase is on, the ball will win, gets the boundary. And just what my co-commentator Anurag had said, they've exactly got that. Mibam with the ball. Nice bounce, nice carry. He'll be happy. Edged and taken. That's what the doctor ordered. Right on the money is Mosu, and look at his celebration as well.
बार बार वही कोशिश, इस बार गेंद को अंदर की तरफ लेके आ रहे थे।
Slashes and slashes hard as well and gets the boundary. That's the first boundary. Oh, this is a classic cover drive. Brilliant there. What timing on that shot here in Assam. Right then, the spinner. Oh, has been tucked away on the onside with a lot of power and gets a boundary as well. Jacob shows that he can play it on the onside as well.
इसकी बारीकियों को भूल जाइए।
Takes the aerial route on the onside and will get a maximum. Beautiful shot that from Jacob. Three fielders who are inside the ring and hence took charge. He wants a change in feel. This is a brilliant Kitpal. Nicely tucked away. Just guiding it to the boundary. All he had to do was get some bat on it and show the direction. That's exactly what he's done.
बल्लेबाज
Yeah, he's getting the turn, but beautifully played this. What a shot that is from Tarun Singh. Gets the boundary, played with the turn, just placed it to perfection.
मुश्किल में पड़ रहे हैं बल्लेबाजी करते हुए। फील्डर के लिए बड़ी चेज है, लेकिन गेंद ये रेस जीत जाएगी। यहाँ पे 4 रन देके जाएगी। आखिरी गेंद पे ओवर की हुई है समाप्ति।
गए बड़े शॉट के लिए, जी हाँ, क्लियर भी करेंगे आसानी के साथ फील्डर को। 6 रन।
सोच ऐसी होनी चाहिए, निसंकोच, जो किया है तरुण ने। ये बढ़िया स्ट्रोक है, फुट से इंतजार किया और उसके बाद कट किया, नतीजा 4 रन। गेंद हवा में, लेकिन कोई फील्डर तैनात नहीं और मिल जाएंगे 4 रन।
Operating. And that's tonked away on the onside. Takes the aerial route, and that's the aggression needed as well. And Tarun Singh, the opening batter, has come in. And long on. That's hit straight up, and it's coming straight like a rocket. What a shot that is. Much needed.
और इस वक्त बाउंड्री की तलाश में थे बल्लेबाज। क्या बात है, खूबसूरत ये 6 रन।
And over. Last ball of the 16th. Oh, misses it, gone. You miss. I hit is what he says. And the wicket keeper doesn't miss as well. So finally, Topu gets a wicket and an important breakthrough with the ball. This was Jacob, how he got out. Shuffles and sends it soaring high in the air and gets the distance as well. Top shot from Tarun Singh.
पहुंच गए हैं अपने अर्धशतक की तरफ धीमे धीमे।
Plays it on the up. Oh, straight through the hands. Just rubbing salt on open
वो तो
wound.
मिल गया है बाउंड्री के रूम में, वो बाउंड्री अर्जित की है।
Just inside the rope. That's what they're checking. Yes, he corrects it. It was just a boundary. And plays it to the cover, but gets a wicket. Brilliant catch taken this. They're just checking whether it's carried, and it's been taken. Gets the wicket. And slashes and gets
कैच
it.
पकड़ा है, कैच पकड़ा या मैच पकड़ा?
Excellent innings of Tarun Singh comes to an end. 44. He's hit 3 massive sixes. Ritik Sharma goes on the onside. There is protection there, but can't stop it. Powerfully hit. Much needed boundary here for the Storm. Middle overs. Oh, hits it straight and gets the distance as well. That's a handsome shot. Fantastic striking this. Has it come a little too late is the question.
ऋतिक शर्मा दबाव में वो 6 रन।
Shikhar. Full toss, that's been hit. There is a fielder, but will only be a spectator. We'll just get 6 runs off this. I said it's come in a little too late. Fuller and Delvery nicely dug out, and that is what it is. They just get a single, so the men in blue here are roaring in this first match. They've won. The Kra Dominators have won this by 8 runs. And kudos to the men in blue. They won the toss, elected to field first. Neelam, the captain, shaking hands with his teammates and umpires. It was a tough match, and a score of 146 has been defended in this match number. Takam and Tarun Singh, both 45 and 44, gave a chance but couldn't win this. So Kra Dominators win this by